Hi everyone, I'm Kaylin Kelly and I'm 14 years old and I'm from Florida, Lake Worth in Palm Beach County. So, alright, well go easy on me since this is my first time making a video, let alone singing to anyone pretty much. So, I will be singing Adele, Someone Like You, without karaoke or anything. I heard that you settled down, that you found a girl and you're married now. I heard that your dreams came true. Guess she gave you things I didn't give to you. Old friends, why you so shy? Ain't like you to hold me back or hide from the light. I hate to turn up out of the blue uninvited, but I couldn't stay away, I couldn't fight it. I had hoped you'd see my face and that you'd be reminded that for me it isn't over. Never mind, I'll find someone like you. I wish nothing but the best for you too. Don't forget me, I beg. I remember you said sometimes it lasts, but sometimes it hurts instead. Sometimes it lasts, but sometimes it hurts instead. You know how the time flies. Only yesterday was the time of our lives. We were born and raised in a summer haze, bound by the surprise of our glory days. I hate to turn up out of the blue one vibe, but I couldn't stay away, I couldn't fight it. I hope you see my face, and that you be reminded that for me it isn't over. Never mind, I'll find someone like you. I wish nothing but the best for you too. Don't forget me, I'm there. I remember. I forgot the rest. Nothing compares, no worries or cares. Regrets are made and memories made. Who would have known how bittersweet this would taste? Never mind, I'll find someone like you. Oh, I wish nothing but the best for you too. Don't forget me, I'm there. I remember you said sometimes it lasts, love, but sometimes it hurts instead. Sometimes it lasts, love, sometimes it hurts instead. Thanks, guys. I hope that wasn't too bad. Well, if you want to know where I get my voice, I'm Puerto Rican, so, and I get it from my mom's side. My dad cannot sing at all. So, alright, see you guys later.